Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you in a super duper easy peasy tutorial how to change the input on a GE Universal remote control that you see right here. Once again, this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So how to change the input on a GE Universal remote control like this one, an easy peasy, super duper easy peasy tutorial. Let's get right into this awesomely easy video. So basically on your GE Universal remote control, you're going to want to look for the button that says input. Now, I know this video is not just about, oh, press the button. There's a little bit more to it than that. Okay. So here's the button that says input on this remote. Let's get it in focus. So you're going to want to press that button. Okay. And here's the thing. When you press the input button, it should change the input of the TV. However, you need to make sure that the TV is selected. So let's say I want to change the input on my TV because I'm playing, my DVR cable box and I want to play some Nintendo Switch. Basically, this is what happens after my kids and my wife go to bed. After my kids go to bed, I do some work, I hang out with my wife, we sort of spend some time together, and after my wife goes to bed, I switch from the DVR box of us watching, TV together and Netflix and stuff like that together, all that fun stuff, Disney Plus. I change to the next input because it's Nintendo Switch time, baby. Okay, so if you want to change the input on the TV, you're going to want to make sure that you press TV. So you've selected your TV, and then you're going to press input, and that should change the input on the TV. Okay, now if it's not working, then basically it's one of two things that's likely the problem. Number one, maybe you don't have the correct device selected. So maybe you don't have the correct device selected. So select the correct device that you want to use, that you want to change the input on. That's a mouthful. I almost messed that one up. And secondly, if it doesn't work, then potentially you might have it programmed wrong. I'll tell you why. If you just programmed your remote to your TV and it works fine, except the input button doesn't change the input on the TV, you want to try using a different code. So reprogram it with a different code. Some of the codes only work for certain features and not other features on your TV. So try reprogramming it with a different code to see if that works. And that's it. That is how to change the input on a GE Universal remote control, just like this, an easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a nice, awesome thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.